Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the half double crochet herringbone stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. I have made a little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I have already done some half double crochet herringbone stitches, so this is how it's going to look. The row that I'm currently working, I have chained 2. I did 3 half double crochet herringbone stitches in the first 3 stitches right here. You will need to chain 2 when making these because they are about as tall as a regular half double crochet stitch. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and make one in the next stitch right here. You're going to start by yarning over your hook, insert it into the stitch that you want to work. Grab that yarn, pull it through that stitch, then keep pulling it through one loop on your hook, then yarn over and pull through both loops on your hook. That's going to be one half double crochet herringbone stitch made. Okay, so again, start by yarning over your hook, insert that hook into the next stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through that stitch, and keep pulling that yarn through the first loop, then yarn over, pull through both loops on your hook. Yarn over your hook, insert the hook into the stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through that stitch, pull it through the first loop, then yarn over, pull through both loops. So again, you're going to start by yarning over your hook. Insert that hook into the next stitch that you want to work. Grab that yarn that you're working with, pull it through that stitch, then pull it through the first loop on your hook. You should have 2 loops. Then you yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Okay. Yarn over your hook, insert your hook into the next stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through that stitch, pull it through the first loop on your hook. You should have 2 loops left. Yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. And that is going to be how to make the half double crochet herringbone stitch. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more from me. Please leave me any feedback on future videos that you would like to see, any tutorials or patterns. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Thank you guys so much for being here. Have a great day.